You probably may not realize that the tea plantation producing your aromatic morning cup of tea is facing tremendous problem of wild elephant trespass. They use the tea plantation as landmarks for navigating the forest during migration. Tea plantations are generally used as stepping stones or rest stops by elephants as they move through a human-dominated landscape. Though scientists constantly search for new methods of crop management to reduce losses of poor paddy farmers of Assam, the damage by wild elephant continues. For these villagers, rice cultivation is the only source of income, so they get very agitated since every year they are losing their harvest due to trespassing of wild elephants. The frequency of man-elephant conflict has increased in recent years, mainly due to clearing of forest. During migration, elephants use the same corridor year after year. The hungry elephants are ramping like tsunamis and raid the paddy farmers' crop. Recently, many tea estates of Assam have created natural corridors for elephants to pass through the plantations and prevent loss of human life. Therefore, nobody disturbs a herd of elephants walking through the well-defined corridors. The buffer zone or conservation area is the region where the tea garden ends and the jungle begins. Most of the tea gardens have created this kind of conservation area, and the hospitable environment provides not only for migratory elephants but also a couple of other species like native birds, amphibians, reptiles, spiders and insects. Due to rapidly disappearing of forests, the stream and water bodies drying up, it is quite natural for the hungry elephants to look for food in the nearby villages. Thus, they raid granaries, destroy paddy fields and wipe out banana plantations, and also trample upon people who come in their way. Elephants need a place to rest. They need some food and water. Therefore, during migration, sometimes to just use the tea plantation as a base for periods from which they will then forage in outlying cropland during the night. But if we are able to create a refuge, they will visit your village like gentle ocean waves.